Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some wedding decorations that I made for a customer who was having a small wedding blessing at home. So I hopped on the opportunity to make some wedding decorations because it's what I love to do. I really enjoy making decorations and coming up with different things that can make your special day look and feel extra special. So if you are looking for any inspiration or ideas, just keep watching this video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe if you want to see more of what I do. So here I just started off with a big piece of cardboard and I used it to work out my shape of a nice heart. And once I had my shape ready, I cut it out and then I started just to use some green jute twine to try and go around the heart shape just to give it some structure to help stop it from bending. And once I managed to cover a fair amount of the heart with the jute string, what I then did was use a bit of kebab skewers sticks just to glue to the back of the heart to make sure it doesn't move. And then here I use a piece of eucalyptus vine that I bought in a shop called Range, and I used that to put it around the heart just so that you won't see any of the green twine. And then I bought some cream bouquet, a bouquet in this color. It was kind of like a creamy pinky camely color, and I got 2 gold flowers as well. Here you'll see the 3 together, and then I'll show you the final product. This was the floral heart that I was able to make. I'm not sure why I didn't take a video to show you guys, but it looks so beautiful in person. I was really happy with it, and the customer was really happy with it as well once she saw it. I used the eucalyptus leaf and some of the leaves that I had left over when I cut off the flowers from the stems. Yeah, so that's what I used, and then I'll show you what I made next. Here I used 2 lengths of cardboard because I wanted to make something like an arch but going straight across diagonally to go over the curtains. If you keep watching the video, you'll get to see what I'm actually talking about. But yeah, I used 2 strips because I needed it to be 59 inches in length, and I didn't have cardboard that long, so I took 2 pieces and then I stapled it together. Once I did that, I painted it all the way across and down, and I also used 2 shorter strips to give me the bit that goes down on the right and the left. And it looked really good. It came out well. Once it was dry, I was able to carry on what I had to do. So after I did that, I took a couple of green vines that I had bought from I got it from eBay. I'll just show you a little clip of what the vines looked like. Here we go. There were artificial silk vines, and I used these to put on the green arch thingy that I was trying to make. Well, the green strip, I don't even know what you want to call it, but yeah, that's what I used anyway. And yeah, the flowers were really nice. They weren't a bad price. They got the job done and it looked really good. I'll show you one of the vines on its own. Here you go here. This is what it looks like. And then this is the final product. Once I was done gluing on the leaves, I had to place the flowers again because they were facing to the right, to the left, down, up, and I wanted you to be able to see the flowers, so I cut them off and re-glued them back down so that you'd be able to see all of the flowers and all of the petals, and it came out really well. I was quite happy with it. And here on the right, I put a couple of holes so that I would be able to hang it over the curtains on the day of the wedding. So I just put a couple of holes on the right, left, and in the middle-ish section. And this is what it looks like in my kitchen in daylight. So yeah, it turned out really well. Really pleased with this one. You don't have to make this using cardboard, but I find that using cardboard, it'd be easier for you to store it after your event because you can just fold it down and then put it away. So it's totally up to you, you know. You can use a thin piece of plywood or you can use cardboard. It's up to you. Anyway, so the next thing I wanted to do was to make some decorations for the bride and the groom's chair. And since the theme was gold and green, I wanted to make something really sweet that can go on the bride and groom's chair. So I cut my half circles, stitched it together as you can see. And once I had done that, I was able to glue them together and get a flower. But once I had made the flowers, I realized that it was a little too small for what I wanted to do. So what I did was just make some more half circles, stitch them together, and then I attached it onto here, and then it was the perfect size. So it worked out really well. And I made this using the leftover eucalyptus leaves from the floral heart. So yeah, this is what I made, and I made two of these, one for the bride and one for the groom. And then I just attached the gold flowers that I made, and it looked gorgeous. On to the next now. Here we go. You know me, I'm obsessed with my little jars and my vase. So I made lots of these. These ones were for the guest table because it was a very small wedding. So only 2 guest tables, the bride and groom's table. Anyway. So some of these were to have candles in, some were going to have water gel balls, and some were going to have artificial flowers and real flowers in. This is what they looked like after I finished putting on ribbons and embellishments. This one specifically had artificial flowers in, and I also made it in green because I wanted to keep with the green and gold theme. Here's an example, just so you can see what it was going to look like on the wedding day. And this one here, I put tea candles in, and it looked so cute. Here, I'm just giving you angles, showing you a different one, because this one's got a green ribbon, and the previous one that you just saw has got a gold ribbon on. There's just a little side view, so you can see what we're working with. Really pretty. And here, I just popped in a candle just so you can get a visual. And these ones I used to put in green water gel balls. And this is what the guest vase looked like. These were really cute. As you can see, I've got cream and gold studs on the lace. And this is just this is one of the fronts. And then side view. Just going to give you a moment to soak that in. And this one was for the bride and groom's table. So they had a bigger vase because, hey, you're the star of the show, so why not? And here is a very big vase, and I used this one to put in some artificial flowers and some gold curly whirly bits. And here I just made some hearts out of gold and green cards. And I was just going to hang these up in the garden, but I took a quick picture in my kitchen just in case I didn't get to take any pictures and videos on the day because I knew I was going to be busy. At the end of the day, it was just me putting up the decorations. So I just wanted to make sure that I've got something for my channel. So here you can see I had a little practice session of how I was going to mount the flowers and the sash on the chair. And this is what they look like together. I think it looks pretty good, golden green. And then here you can see the floral garland that I made over the curtain. Obviously, this is for the backdrop for the bride and groom's table. So I just wanted to get some snaps. Just in case I didn't get to do any filming or take pictures on the day, I just wanted to have something to show you guys. This is the garden where they had the little wedding blessing. So this is what the yard looks like before any decorations got put up. Beautiful garden. It's a real nice space, and shout out to the homeowner for allowing me to get this little video footage to show you guys what it looked like before and then after. So this is the actual wedding day. I put up a nice little sign, and then wow, look at this. Oh, every time I see this I just get so excited. Can you see the green water gel balls I mentioned before in the vase? So there they are. And then here's my, oh, stunning, stunning. Look at this. It was a little bit windy on the day, but not too much. So nothing got blown over. Oh, look at that. Check out the hearts. Check out the hearts, guys. Can I get a thumbs up if you're liking what you're seeing? And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. And then here's the bit on the chair. And then I put some flowers, artificial flowers on the table here. And then I did some green and gold hearts on sticks, as you can see, down the little aisle. Oh, let me tell you about this bit here. You see these little heart-shaped foil, gold foil decorations. This was a pain. It was easy for me to put up, but because it was so windy, they kept blowing everywhere. So I had to literally stick down every single strip using sellotape just so you can have it as an actual photo backdrop. So that took a lot of time, and I didn't have any time left to curl the ribbons on the bows because I spent so much time trying to stick down the heart foils. But here's just a quick view of what everything looks like. I couldn't be a commentator, I'm just terrible. But yeah, this is what everything looks like. I think it looked beautiful, and the bride and groom were very happy, which was really good because I do aim to please the customer and make sure that everyone is happy on the day. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you were able to get some sort of inspirations and ideas for your wedding or your little party, whatever you're going to be doing. I hope you find something in this video that was of use and inspiration to you. Ignore the 2 jars that you can see just randomly placed here. I was in such a rush to try and get a few pictures that I completely didn't even notice them. So yeah, it looked gorgeous nevertheless, you know. So I was really happy, really pleased with myself, and I loved all of the decorations. Overall, I'm really happy and proud of myself for what I was able to achieve with the size of their budget. I mean, wow, they got a whole lot for their money and even more. I cannot wait for my next wedding project. So if you want to save some money but have a gorgeous day, hello, get at me. Thanks for watching. Bye.